Hey y'all! I just went shopping today for a bunch of new materials and I'm excited to share it with y'all. Let's get started. So I went to Hobby Lobby first and I got a few different things. I got a couple of different sized grapevine wreaths. I think I got a 12-inch and a 10-inch or a 10-inch and a 14-inch. I'm not exactly sure. I also got these cute little miniature grapevine wreaths that I think I'm going to use for some table decor right here. Look how cute they are. Oh. Then I got some plaid ribbon. It's 2.5 inches wide. That is the brand name. I love this ribbon. It's really pretty. I also got some beautiful 6-foot garland that I just love. It's a flocked lamb's ear. So pretty. Look at how pretty that is. It's got some white berries on it too. I just loved every bit of it. It's Hobby Lobby brand and I got it for 40% off, so I got it on a steal. Next I went to Michael's. I got another grapevine wreath there. It was an 18-inch. I just liked how that one looked better than some of the ones at Hobby Lobby this time. Then I got some pretty garland, 6 foot as last time. They are a little bit different. One of them is flocked very similarly. It's very pretty. I like some of the white berries it has in there and some of the glittery leaves. I'm a glitter gal. This one I really loved. It has just such a good feel to it. It's very well made. Both of these are from Ashland. I love their brand. I get it from Michael's and I usually get it on sale, but it's very high quality material. It usually smells good and feels good. So I got a lot in store for this one. I got a bunch of different floral stems and little accents to go on the wreaths. These are some beautiful golden Pampas grass. I think those would go really good with any Christmas wreath. I got some cute little plaid presents as like a little topper and accents. They're super cute. I love them. I also got some beautiful dark red berries here. Those were only $1.99 each. That was a pretty good deal. I also got this beautiful crystal-like feather stem. That's what I'm going to call it. Kind of looks like leaves, kind of looks like feathers. But I have some golden feathers already, and I've got a plan for these. I think those are really pretty. Next, I got some greenery stems. These are the ones that are like evergreens with some pine cones added. I thought those would be really nice for a wreath. I also went ahead and got this beautiful flocked pine. It's really pretty. It also has a few pine cones in it too, and I just really liked how it looked. Then I got this pretty stem. It's a frosty hat. It's so cute. Look at that. I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store for that. It's really exciting. Also got some cinnamon sticks and they smell really good too. I'm going to put those on one of my newest wreaths for Etsy. And I got this big Christmas present. It's so cute and I thought it would be cute for a little wreath or something too. I also went ahead and got a couple of different bouquets. This is one that I thought was cute. It just has Christmas vibes, little berries. It's kind of frozen looking. I just thought it was sweet. I don't know. I think I might use it as a table decor item. Not sure yet. I also got these really pretty antler decor pieces. I think they'll go really good with some centerpieces. I think I'm going to do that this week sometime. And last but not least, I got these beautiful emerald green pine cones. I can't wait to use those. Those are by far probably my favorite thing I found today. So pretty. And we've reached the end of our video. What'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see y'all back soon. Bye.